What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis, but I go by Alexis K. If you're new here, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So today I am doing the very popular boho knotless braids, but on my natural hair, no hair added. I'm really scared because my hair is different lengths all around. I'm kind of late to the party, but I wanted a little protective style for the rest of the week, so I was like, why not just try it? We're gonna jump right into the video. I'm not gonna talk too much, but I did blow dry my hair first. But the products that I'm going to be using today are the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. This is one of my favorite leave-ins. I really use this for everything. And then I'm going to use my growth cream from my collection. You can shop that in the description box. Those are really going to be the main two products, and then later on I'll go in with water, gel, you know, edge control, all that good stuff, and maybe even a foam. But for now, those are going to be the staple products for the actual style. So I have my hair parted into 4 sections. So I'm going to start with the back first because that's probably going to take the longest. I'm going to try and do like semi-neat parts, but they ain't got to be crazy neat. So I'm going to take these 2 back sections out, and then I'm going to part the first section. I'm going to do the first braid to see what it's looking like, and then we'll actually get into it, okay?
Just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 mic. Say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 mic. Just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 mic. Turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
We break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one out to get the stone. No way, love one of you buckethead hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas
Alright, so the first one looks promising. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of the back, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm back, and I finished the back section of my hair. So far I think they look pretty cute. I think I wanted to do it on blow dry hair first so I can have a little bit of length to it first, but I haven't defined like the little hair sticking out yet. I'm gonna do that at the end. So now I have the front sections of my hair, and so far all that I've been doing is parting my hair, going in with my growth cream on my ends and on the hair shaft, and then I go in with the leave-in, put a little bit on there, and then start braiding. For the pieces that are kind of like on the outer part of my head, I've tried to like pull out maybe like 1 piece on those ones, but the ones in the middle I pulled out like 2-3 pieces max, just so that it would have like a little bit more volume. Now the top is what I'm scared about, and hoping that this doesn't make my style come out looking stupid, because my hair is definitely very uneven just because of the way that I big chopped, but hopefully the layers will lay nicely. I'm gonna just show y'all the process that I've been doing for each section, and then I'm gonna just stop talking and braid. I'm not gonna braid this entire part because it's so small. It's just to tame that little piece, really. Growth cream, moisture, and then leave-in. And you guys can see that my hair is like semi curling up, which I don't mind. But of course, at the end, I'm gonna add like a little bit more product and a little bit more water, braiding down just a little bit. And personally, what I've been doing is whatever piece from the 3 pieces of my braid feels the most chunky. I wait till it gets on the end, either side, and then just pull a piece out. And then continue braiding. Sometimes I accidentally grab it back into the braid. Trial and error. I was seeing everybody putting the hair in their mouth. I don't think I really want to do that. So I've just been doing this method on a piece and braiding it. So y'all see I have 2 pieces hanging out of this braid. Now I'm gonna continue and I'll come back when I'm done. I am finished. Now I just need to define the curly pieces. But so far it actually looks cute. I'm surprised. I'm actually excited. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. And I'm just gonna take my water bottle from One Collection, my brand, and I'm going to spritz the curls and then add a little bit more product to them. All right, so I have a little bit of Eco right here. I think that these came out super duper cute. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. I'm sure I can do like other styles half up, half downs, and all that good stuff. It's 2:57. I started around like 12 something. I was seeing some people say that these took them like 6 hours. It did not take me that long. And I feel like I don't really have that many braids. I think I'm going to enjoy this style 100%. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.